Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade on Webull using your phone. First, download the Webull app from your device's app store. After installation, complete the account setup process, which includes identity verification. Finally, link your bank account and fund it, ensuring you have capital ready for your first trade. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading experience. Once your account is ready, open the app and use the search bar at the top to find a stock or ETF you are interested in. Tap on the asset to view its detailed page, where you can analyze charts, read news, and access various research tools. Take your time to understand the company before making any decisions. When you are ready to trade, tap the Trade button on the stock's detail page. You will then choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a price. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy or sell, then review and confirm your order to place it. After placing a trade, navigate to your portfolio section to monitor your open positions and check the status of pending orders. You can also set up price alerts for stocks on your watch list to stay informed of market movements. Regularly review your trade history and account statements to keep track of your investments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.